Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. I hope y'all are doing well today. This is just a collection of the cars that I've seen through some of the car shows. They're all about the trucks. And I would love for your input because I was going through all of the footage that I had and I kept running into El Caminos and Ranchos. Do you think that that would qualify as a truck? That is the old age question. Please leave me a comment below and let me know how you feel about it. Is the El Camino and the Rancho a true truck? There's so many of the cars and trucks. Trucks in this here. And please just sit back and enjoy and relax. The one of the best trucks that there is here is the last one on the end of the video. So please let me know how you feel about it, and please subscribe and join. And if there's anything that you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. I do have my information in the end of the video where you can find out more about it on YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels, and then Facebook. I have a lot of pictures and shorts and reels about all these trucks that I'm showing here. So if you're interested in seeing something more about them, or if you see some in the background that you feel it should be in the video, let me know. And if you give it a big thumbs up, I sure would appreciate it. I'm going to get out of y'all's way and let y'all enjoy the rest of the video. And again, thank you so much for stopping by and watching. Have a great day.
appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me